out of the stump.
Mm.
What are the odds?
Yeah, a little strange. Hi. Oh, the Hmm.
If we rode our bikes from home, look at the possibilities.
Yeah. And yeah. Yeah.
I didn't look to see if there were no parking there.
Yeah. Yeah, you got logistics and you can do it.
Wherever that is.
Yeah. 8 something.
Yeah,
Yes. Sunrise, sunset. Too bad it wasn't like 72-hour parking in what's that, Elgin?
Oh yeah. Was it Elgin? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the statues were
Yeah.
on the island.
Yeah.
Yeah. 72 hours ago.
Yeah, how about that? You know, I mean, it's really strange to see stuff like that. Yeah. Kind of. Oh, okay. Right here. Right here.
Thank you.
It's blue, they see Leah's and they make the street with dust. Wow, look at this. 3/4 mile to Lake Defiance.
We go that way again. And we should come out that way.
Okay, then maybe go out and make a right.
Let me
Down the
see.
way. Circle around.
I don't know how we end up coming out that way. Because that one, when you get up to that park, we make a right, go around the Lake Defiance.
Yeah, we come out that way because from the parking lot,
Huh?
there's a little stretch where it
Yeah.
connects to this loop,
Right.
according to the map, if I remember correctly, and I don't remember anything.
Even though it says wrong way.
Here, you found it. Hey, even say bicycle sign wrong way. Everything's wrong way.
I think it's like 2 loops. You go up this twice. You go up once and around, and then you go up and around.
Okay, almost like figure 8.
And then once you get hit, then you're stuck. It's like Hotel California.
Yeah,
You can enter but never leave.
you can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Never leave.
Wrong way. They're calling my name. My name's wrong way. Why are you going this way? Because it's calling my name.
Oh, you go 50 miles an hour. Just because I'm doing 20. Just go catch up to them. Just fly past them.
Can be done, but that's not, man. Oh yeah, I could do it.
With this 40.
Or you go past Lake Defiance? No, probably didn't go up to Lake Defiance. Along the way there, we're probably going to turn off to the right.
When we
Yeah,
get by close to the park there.
yeah,
A little before the park.
yeah. Okay. Leon,
This should show us. Okay, reset.
What happened? Where are we?
No point. Hey, you want to do the bite the cattail challenge?
Bite the cattail?
Yeah, like explosions that plays in your mouth.
Oh, riding through it?
No.
Oh,
Bite
6
it
o'clock.
with your mouth.
Yeah, 6 o'clock. Oh, nice and cool.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Those were the people passed up some time ago.
What's there?
Yeah, second time we see them.
Oh, yeah, that happened.
Go on the trail here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, center. Coming through.